G'day folks, this is a Keeprite heat pump unit that I picked up today for recycling. It was one of two units. Its partner was dumped off at the scrapyard before I could get to it, but this one here they let me pick up. It's dedicated as a heat pump. It doesn't say anything about cooling mode. 400 volts, 3-phase, 50 Hertz. Model number is HPC 60-34, serial number 7261851637. It's made in Canada, Brantford, Ontario. Compressor amps 10.4, I think total amps is 14.2. 178.5 ounces of refrigerant plus 0.66 per foot of 3/8-inch liquid line. Just that. It's all intact. It's been beat up pretty bad, but the coils are a little bit rough. Can probably run again. I think they just upgraded it. And that's the indoor coil. This one's made in Australia for Keeprite. And again, it's been knocked about pretty bad. Indoor fan coil unit, model SSEB 60A, 240 volts, 50 Hertz, single phase motor. I'll try and wire the fans up and see what they do. It's got its own control transformer and contactor and everything in it. This thing here, I think it's a Tecumseh compressor, or maybe Copeland. It doesn't say what's on the sticker, so I gather it's Tecumseh. I normally have a sticker there. The accumulator, it's got a thermal expansion valve in the back there. Liquid line biflow dryer, and that's the reversing valve, nice big one. And control gear. So transformer's had a bit of a meltdown. It's smoked. Everything's gone yellow. So it's probably burnt out its control transformer at some stage. Pressure control, Alco controls, and some kind of electronic control module. Like a fan cap there. Well, I'll pull some more panels off. Now, I just remembered this transformer fell out of the housing when I lifted it up onto the trailer. So I'm guessing since it doesn't fit inside there very well, they just had it in there. That's the only thing I can think of. That's probably where it fell out of, because it wasn't bolted down with anything, that's for sure. Just an earthing lug, which goes down in there. Or that actually. That would have been earthed onto there. Bit of a hack job. Taped in fuse holder. Oh well, at least the run cap's still strapped in. Seen a few lately that have been run cap bandited. Run caps floating around all over the place. Well, as always, there's a ton of dirt and trash inside it. Haven't cleaned it very often. But it's all there though. I'm going to put the top back on and see if the fan still works. I've hot wired these blocks here so that they just supply the fan. I'll isolate all this control stuff. The contactors are ancient. A lot different to the new ones. A quick test of the condensing unit fan. I think it's a 2/3 horsepower motor, but definitely single phase, 240 volts. Going on. Beauty. Not very fast. I wonder if the wires are around the wrong way. I've never really seen them run that fast anyway. They're supposed to be a gentle, low-speed fan. Well folks, there's not much left of the old heat pump. It's got a pile of scrap metal. Still got to strip this thing down. I might keep this coil for a water heat exchanger. A couple of coils. And a compressor. Have a big clean up here tomorrow. I'll chuck all this stuff out. I don't even think I'll bother stripping this thing. Got enough blowers. Well, this is a big Canadian built Lennox. It's been sitting here for a couple of weeks now, and well, I've got enough spare parts for these things. I'll just pull this little centrifugal blower off, and that's about it. Or the scrap cable. The rest can go in the steel bin. I've got enough of these manifolds too. Oh well, thanks for watching, folks. It's always good when this stuff comes in, and summertime will be even better. More air conditioners getting cooked and dying.